Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the trim monitor in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is a really useful tool if you need to precisely trim your footage and get a very specific portion of your source instead of having to manually drag the edges around in your timeline like so. To open your trim monitor, the first thing you have to do is double click on any edit point on your video, or you can even just double click on a selected clip. So here I have my clip in my timeline that I'd like to precisely trim. I'm going to double click, and as you can see here, the timeline has changed a little bit in the monitor. So this is the trim monitor. You have two sides. You have your in and your out, and here you can make precise adjustments according to what you'd like to see. And if you hold mouse over the middle portion and drag it around, you can precisely set which portion of the footage you'd like to see. The left side being your starting frame and the right side being your ending frame. So I can very easily make a precise cut to where he leaves the frame, and I didn't have to mess around too much in my timeline. So it's a really useful tip to know to make really fast edits with your footage. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.